Good morning everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, this morning I thought I would come on and just show anybody that doesn't already know how to do it, how to join two pieces of yarn or string or whatever you want to join by doing the magic knot. I learnt this 2 or 3 weeks ago from Bella Coco's crochet channel, and I'm just amazed at it. I think it's brilliant. So you get your 2 pieces of yarn, one on top of the other like that, and then this piece, you're going to take this piece underneath, bottom piece underneath the top piece. Alright, and I'll leave the link to Bella Coco's channel in case you can't get it by watching me. So you've got that piece under there, and then bring that over like that. So you've got to leave a little loop at the top, and then we're going to take this piece underneath and bring it up through this piece. Alright, it is a little bit difficult to show because you can't sometimes do it without getting your hands in the way, so I'm going to take that right under there and bring it up through that loop. Right, it's like that, and then you just pull that to make a knot there. And this one, your top one, take it underneath like that. So you've got a loop there. Alright, and then we're going to take this piece and take it and do the same that side. You've got that knot on there, and both a tug. So you've got a knot at both ends, and then all we're going to do is just slide them together. It really is magic. I love this. Now at this point, right, when I cut this, it might come apart because you cut it ever so close, and so I've only done it wrong, well, not done it wrong, cut it too close a few times. 9 times out of 10 I get it just right. So give it a good old tug. Because I'm doing a video, it's bound to do it wrong. You see, cut it as close to the knot as you can. I can't quite see. Let's have a look. And give that a good old tug. I mean, actually, yeah, that's not going to break, but I've left a little bit on there, but you can cut it ever so close, and I'm really tugging at that. It's brilliant. What a brilliant way. All these years I've been, you know, known how to crochet, and just cut that off and do it again to show you. And I didn't know such a thing existed. So just do it again. But I think it's brilliant. Right. So that one, bottom one under the top. Over like that, so you've got a little loop there, and take this piece underneath and up through that loop. Oops, start again. Under there, make the little loop at the top. Got a knot like that, and do the same with this one underneath. You've got a little loop there, like that. Pull that knot, just like magic, you pull them together. close to the knot. I think this one might break. Oh no, got it good again. Oh, really, really good. Such a good knot that is. It's brilliant. So I hope that helps anybody that might want to know a way of joining threads. Nice, neat to join. So thank you to Bella Coco for the video, and say if you can't get it my way, pop across and have a look at hers, because sometimes we see one person and you just can't get it, and then you'll watch somebody else and you get it straight away. So anyway, thanks for watching, take care, bye.